Yeah, absolutely. So Wyld Networks is a virtual satellite operator for the Internet of Things. And as you're aware, 85% of the world's surface has no wireless coverage and no access to the internet. And that's a problem for a lot of enterprises that have assets in that 85% of the world's surface where there's no access to the internet. So we use low Earth orbiting satellites to allow our customers to connect their IoT devices anywhere in the world. So we provide 100% global coverage for the Internet of Things. And our business model is relatively simple. We sell two components to our product portfolio. One is a piece of hardware called Wyld Connect, which collects data from IoT sensors and sends that data to satellites. The satellite sends the data back down to a product called Wyld Fusion. And so those two products make up our business model. The hardware piece, Wyld Connect, we sell for up to $40 per module. And we've currently got orders for about 223,000 of these modules. And then our customers also pay us up to $5 per month for the Wyld data service. And that's $5 per month per module. And that's where our reoccurring revenue comes from. Yeah, absolutely. So our customer in South Africa is in the agricultural sector. And we received an order from them last year for Wyld Connect modules. It was about 71,000 modules in total. And they've now placed an order on us for the data piece. And it's about 9.2 million krona. And that's just the first order for the data. Obviously, as we start to ship more modules to them, we'll get additional orders for data. So it's really great to start to see our reoccurring data orders coming in now. Yeah, absolutely. So we closed last year at about with an order backlog of about 32 million krona. And in the first 10 weeks of this year in 2023, we've more than doubled that. We're now actually have an order backlog of about 76 million krona. And just so far this year, we've received two orders from the Middle East, one for about 13 million krona, which is for the agricultural sector, another order for about 12 million krona in the Middle East, which is in the utility sector. And we received a purchase order in the US for just over 6 million krona, and that's for the oil and gas sector. Then obviously we received the order this week for data in South Africa. So it's been an incredible start to the year, and to have doubled our order intake from 2022 in the first 3 months of this year is really a fantastic achievement. And we're really putting that down to the fact that we launched the network on the 8th of December in 2022. So only a few weeks ago we actually launched the network. And having launched the network, our customers and launch partners that we signed up in 2022 are now starting to place orders on us. Yes, so this is a really exciting announcement. As you're aware, the predominant technology that's used to collect data from IoT sensors is called LPWAN. And there's about 4 different technologies that are part of the LPWAN family. One of them is LoRaWAN, and that's the technology we're using at the moment. And that's projected to have about 37% market share by 2025. But there's another technology called 5G NB-IoT that's projected to have over 40% of the market share. So we've officially announced our plans to also adopt not just LoRaWAN, which we actually have commercially rolled out, but also we're planning to develop our 5G NB-IoT capability on our Wyld Connect module. So not only does it basically double the size of the addressable market we can go after, but I think more importantly, it allows us to address new customers, all the global mobile operators like AT&T, Verizon, Telenor, Orange, Vodafone. All of these companies have bought 5G spectrum, and they've paid billions of pounds for their 5G spectrum. And within that spectrum, they have a small amount of frequency that they can use for IoT. And so they want to go to their customers with IoT solutions using their 5G spectrum. And obviously, with our solution, we allow them to go to their customers to offer a 100% global coverage solution. So we're truly excited about the 5G capabilities, and we're going to be putting a lot of work in this year to get 5G onto our solution. We signed up a lot of partnerships before the launch, and we went through proof of concepts with those customers. That was mainly last year. And quite a few of them have now converted and given us purchase orders, but there's some that we're still looking to get purchase orders on. So we're going to focus on getting those launch partners to give us purchase orders this year so that we can get ourselves into a position where all of our launch partners have converted to purchase orders. We've got a lot to do in 2023. So if I look at where we're going to be in 2023 and what we're doing in 2023, well, we will be delivering in volume our Wyld Connect module based on LoRaWAN. We will be developing the 5G NB-IoT capability onto the Wyld Connect module. We'll be converting all of our launch partners into purchase orders, and we'll be looking for lots more customers. So we're really looking to really ramp up our order book, but also we'll be looking for new satellite partners, and that's also a key objective for 2023.